Hello everybody again. Today we will speak about the guide step by step how to start investing in crypto with just $100. So first of all, it is necessary to choose the right platform. Today we will speak about the Binance and the processes in and before that, we need to talk about some general information because investing with a small budget requires discipline, patience, and focus on learning, right? So, first of all, it is important to set clear financial goals, determine your risk tolerance, and identify suitable investment, right? So, this is very necessary. So we can go through the step-by-step guide. I will provide the practical instructions on how to start investing with $100, and you will learn step by step how to do it. So. First of all, as I said, it's necessary to choose the right platform, right? For beginners, platforms like Binance are highly recommended due to their security, variety of assets, educational resources, and so on. So that's why we choose the Binance. Once you choose an exchange, the next step is to fund your account, right? So we can go through. After you register yourself on a platform like Binance, you need to complete identity verification, and I recommend also use two-factor authentication, right? It's all in your profile, and you can go through the settings there, right? So, next, you need to deposit 100, right? So you just click to deposit, and you can choose a lot of possibilities there how you can deposit your funds. So you can choose like directly fiat currency or send your crypto. Also, you can directly buy with your card crypto you would like to. I recommend firstly to deposit fiat currency and then make processes, right? So that is very easy. So you just click on deposit, and then once funded, it's time to choose crypto assets wisely. So I recommend to focus on well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum for stability, and allocate a small portion of promising altcoins for potential high returns, right? So you can make a split between $100, let's say 50% to Bitcoin, 30% to Ethereum, and $20 or percent to high capitalized altcoins like XRP or Cardano, and so on. So you can trade here on spot exchange, or you can easily click here on buy crypto. So this is for advanced, right? But for simple purchasing crypto, you can click on buy crypto. You can here click like €10 and choose your cryptocurrency you would like to buy, right? And here you can choose also the method you would like to use, like Google Pay, Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, and so on. So first step was register yourself, verify your identity, right? Secure your account, then deposit $100 and choose crypto assets, right? You would like to buy, and I recommend choose maybe 3, maximum 4 cryptocurrency for such small budget, and you can also use dollar cost averaging. So it means you can buy crypto, the same crypto, let's say every month with the same amount, let's say $100, right? So that is called dollar cost averaging. It is particularly effective investing small amounts over time to smooth our market market volatility. So yeah, that's just an advice, right? And then of course, you have your portfolio, and the question is how you can then exchange your assets, right? Or how to withdraw. So there is possibilities. So when you can click on markets, you can do whatever you want with your portfolio. Here you can see is like. Let's say Bitcoin, and here you can trade Bitcoin, right? For other cryptocurrencies or buy more, you can sell it, of course. So it's only for you, on you, what you would like to do with your $100. So when we wrap up, after creating account, depositing funds, and choosing your crypto, you can then later see on Binance, for example, you have a lot of more possibilities to do with your cryptocurrencies, right? So that was the process how you can buy crypto easily on Binance, but there are other ways how to earn your money. And of course, with just a small amount like $100, let's say monthly, yeah? So you can use functions and let's say to implement some small budget investing strategies, right? So as I said, on Binance you have like earn portfolio, or let's say services, right? So when we click on earn, there are a lot of let's say flexible or locked staking programs. So you can for long-term growth, you can consider staking or savings programs offered by Binance. These allow you to earn passive income on crypto holdings, gradually increasing your portfolio without active trading. So it's like passive income, so you can earn interest by letting your crypto to other or let's say lending your crypto to other users. Yeah, but that's on the longer story. This video was only informative and let's say a guide how you can start investing $100, and we used Binance as example because we personally recommend this cryptocurrency exchange. So that was all from my side. I hope video was informative, and I wish you have a nice day, and bye.